I'm Ryan Mayer from Cleveland, Ohio. This is my 2017 Ram 2500. I got a custom rolling big power grill. I got the Stealth Power running boards, 26 by 14 RBP forged Mojave wheels. I got a 12-inch max altitude lift kit. Starting with something that's like stock or whatever and turning into something this awesome and amazing is just, your hard work pays off, and it's just really, really cool, really neat. So, and it's fun transforming something that's kind of bland to something like completely unique. You guys have everything. Like anything you want on your truck, you can pretty much outfit your vehicle with. Everyone was just super nice, handled everything I needed professionally, and it was just awesome. Awesome connection, awesome communication. It's just an awesome company to work with.